If you're not getting the views that you want, if you're not getting millions of views, then I'm going to teach you exactly how to get millions of views on social media. Now, yes, I am an expert in this space, so these are my videos that I have created through CapCut specifically, and this is one of my channels of many. In the past couple of months, I've gained hundreds of millions of views, literally. Overall, I've gained over 1 billion views, so I'm going to teach you so that you can get millions of views like me, even monetize your viewers and your followers slash audience to make money too. So just follow these viral steps and you can do those following things. So creating viral shorts, a guide to creating viral content. Let's get straight into this. So what's needed to create viral content? The first thing that I put down is CapCut, which is a video editing app. I would recommend using this. It's free. You can pay for the paid version, which I do, just because you get extra features, which is super cool. Use CapCut. Second thing is Canva. If you want to create original content as well, or just get some cool overlays, use Canva. This is optional. YouTube is for getting your clips or just something like that, or ideas, or whatever the case is. I would recommend get clips from that, unless if you're creating original content. So yeah, we're gonna go over that soon. So Google is for your images. We've got Giphy for your GIFs. So these two, you can use these as overlays. So if you can see right here, we've got overlays here and here. Well, these are emojis, but you've got an overlay there. There's more overlays on the next slide, so bear with me. We've got Midjourney, which can also be used for your content or to create original content as well, which is an AI generating image on Discord. And then we've got, you need a computer or a phone. So just an okay computer or an okay phone will do, and Instagram and TikTok to get ideas and to actually post your content on, as well as YouTube. So let's go on to the next slide. So how to choose a niche. So first thing I've written down is look through social media for already viral niches slash videos. So you're going to look through social media, and if you see a video that you like and you're thinking, I want to do this niche, this will be enjoyable, I can make good videos out of it, then try and do the things that they are doing to make viral videos. Make sure their account is viral and try and see what they're doing and see if you can do it and if you'll enjoy doing it. Don't do something like really boring, because you're less like, well, no, you're more likely to make horrible videos if you choose something that you do not enjoy, and you want to make good videos. So yeah. Second thing I've got down is choose a niche that you would enjoy, which I just said. And then we've got niche examples. So right here, Joe Rogan, Billy Carson, Luke Belmar, UFC slash boxing, and story videos. So these are some examples that you can actually choose. So these are videos of me, of my personal branding. Just getting a couple of views on here. I'm trying my best to go viral. I've only just really started this, so give me a couple of weeks or months and I'll be very viral on my personal brand, which is really good. But anyway, let's get on to the next slide. So we've got creating a viral video. First thing I've written down is screen record from YouTube a good part of the clip. So let's say you chose Joe Rogan, you're going to screen record just a good part of that clip. You need to find it. For example, type in on YouTube Joe Rogan grizzly bear attack. There will be a story in there, and on a grizzly bear, or Joe Rogan freaking out over a grizzly bear. Great clip choice, great clip choices. So what I've got here is for clips. When you're finding a clip, look for good storytelling, facts, conspiracies, value, etc. Any of these things do really well. So if the video's got storytelling, good storytelling in, this will probably go viral if you make good content with it. If you make a good edit with it. We've got facts, conspiracies, value, so they're pretty self-explanatory. If the video's providing value, that's good, or conspiracies, or just facts, etc. So now next, I've got inside CapCut. After added the clip, cut out any pauses. So basically what I mean by this, so let's say Joe Rogan's talking, and he pauses for a second like this, and then he starts talking. That pause right there needs to be split out. The video needs to be fast paced, because you need to hook people in your videos. Otherwise, people are just going to scroll. Think about it. People are scrolling away on TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram trying to find videos they enjoy watching. They're not going to enjoy your videos if you are doing this, just being silent, or if the person is just being silent for a couple of seconds, even a millisecond. You need to split that out. Keep it fast paced, keep it enjoyable for your viewers, and they will remain hooked in your video. So next I've got use auto captions that has 1 to 3 words long. So this one has 1 word long. I wouldn't recommend doing more than 3 words long. I wouldn't really recommend it, because the captions are just there to follow along. You don't want this to be effort. If your viewer has to put effort into watching a video, they're less likely to watch it, especially on TikTok. They're there to get entertained, most likely. or to get some quick value or something like that. So there's no point in making it effort for your viewers. You need to make it very simple and very enjoyable, which is very easy as well. Especially if you watch until the end of this video, you will understand exactly how to make some great viral videos. So next we've got use a text hook, 3 to 6 words that describes your video perfectly. So right here we have a text hook, surviving a deadly grizzly attack. Perfect hook, describes the entire video perfectly, and this is giving an expectation of what's going to happen in the video. So the viewers scrolling, they see this video, 5.7 million views. So before it went viral, a viewer would look at this and think, surviving a deadly grizzly attack, whoa, I need to see this video. How are you even surviving a deadly grizzly attack? So they're going to watch it. And let's get on to the next part. Use music that matches the clip to keep people hooked in your videos, to keep people watching. So music for this, I would have used more of a scary video because it's surviving a deadly grizzly attack. And grizzly bears are scary. It's very hard to survive a grizzly bear attack. So something scary is going to be needed on this, or just something like that. Right here, I've got don't forget to add images and videos to your clips to keep the video more engaging and better for the viewers, to keep them entertained. Now this right here is not an image, this right here is a video that I added on top of Joe Rogan talking, and with this video right here, the grizzly bear just runs here, some big mean grizzly bear with the music and background that I added, not too loud, so you can hear the Joe Rogan talk, and this grizzly bear is just looking mean, so people are already going to get hooked as well. Just a quick note for this viral example and any viral videos you make, 65% of the entire population claim to be visual learners. So what does this mean? They're going to learn more visually. So they're going to read the hook. They're not going to learn too much from the hook. It's going to hook them in, but this is the main hook right here. Something visually is going to hook the majority of your viewers in. And people are on TikTok, so it's probably more percentage of people than 65% that are on TikTok or YouTube or Instagram that are going to learn more visually. That's why they're probably on these platforms mainly. So make sure you're using something visual, get images or videos, and your video hook should be 3 to 4 seconds long, and your video hook is the most important part of your entire video. Make sure you're focusing on your video hooks, make sure you're making great video hooks, because if you don't hook people in within the first 3 to 4 seconds, you ain't going to get any views. So just focus on that. The next thing I've got is viral hook breakdown. So these are 2 videos of mine, and I'm going to break them down of why this one got more views than this one. Right now you're probably thinking it's pretty obvious, and yes it is, but let me just break it down very quickly for you. So number 1, this text is too big. They had the same text hook right here, but the caption on this one is way too big. The image on this, or the video on this that I added, it doesn't even describe anything visually. Like, you can't even tell what the hell is going on. That's why it didn't get that much views. And with this one, the text is a lot smaller, 3 words, but a lot smaller. Very easy to follow along, and it's not jumping out on the screen like this text is. And there's a good image that describes something haunted and so-called satanic or ritual. As you can see, people would think this is blood, it's just red spray paint, but it's in the dark as well. Dark just kind of means haunted, kind of. And we've got this guy with a flashlight right here, pretty obvious. So small differences create viral videos. These are very small differences that created a viral video. So let's go into the next slide. We've got another viral hook breakdown, my videos again. So text hook and visual images differences. So just text hook and images differences. So for this one, right, this guy's off the screen, can't really tell what's going on too much. There's an Illuminati there, but the reason why this didn't do as well, because the hook's just not the best either. So yeah, it doesn't look too good either. Like, I could have made this a lot better. If I redid this now, I would make this amazingly, but as you can see, it's just not good. You can't tell too much what's going on, and the start of the video, what's being said, is probably not that good. You've lost. Like, it's just probably not the best thing to have start of the video. As with this one, we had a guy, it looks like he's controlling the world, with another picture here of stay home, you know, the thing during 2020, and then we've got this. And then obviously we have the glitched matrix right here. We have the glitched matrix effect that is coming in, which is very, very clean. And then we have the text hook as the companies that own the world. People are going to want to know, if they don't already know, the companies that kind of own the world. So very good hook. People are going to be intrigued and wanting to know who's gonna, you know, what companies on the world. So that's a very good example of a hook. And just small differences create viral videos, so keep that in mind so you can go viral. Let's get on to the next one. I've got a checklist here for you. I added a cheeky subscribe here because I'm providing this value for free, so you can literally get viral videos. So make sure you subscribe, because I'm going to post the best content I possibly can for you. But let's just get into this. So post 3 to 6 times a day on all platforms. So you make one video, post that on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, that one video, boom, do that 3 to 6 times. So make 3 to 6 videos and post them a day on all these platforms, and you will go viral very quickly. You will also improve on all your videos. So next one, I've got text hook, visual hook, and auto captions. So I'll focus on that. Make sure you're checking this checklist off. Screenshot it if you need to. For example, text hook right here, text hook here. We've got the captions right here, and we've got something visually, like I described before. You need something visually. Make sure you've got all those 3 things. Make sure they look good, and when you read them, make sure they sound good too. And yeah, so next we've got use a viral or trending sound that matches the clip. Very self-explanatory. Make sure you're doing this. If I'm doing a sad video, I'm going to have a sad viral or trending sound choice. I'm not going to use songs. I'm going to use more beats or instrumentals because it's much better. Then we've got storytelling, facts, conspiracies, value, etc. Pretty self-explanatory. This is what the clip choice needs to have. Then we've got fast talking and no pauses. Like I mentioned before, if the viewer is if the person in the video is pausing, then people ain't going to be entertained. So make sure that there is fast talking and barely any pauses, close to none or none. And then we've got recreate viral made videos. So what you want to do is a viral video in your niche, right? You need to recreate that, but recreate that better. Don't copy that exact video. Try and make it better. Use different images or videos for the overlays, and you maybe use a different sound choice, etc., and a different text hook. And then I've got compare your hooks and videos to viral videos in your niche. So pull up a viral video that's in your niche and just compare your video to that. But most importantly as well, compare your hooks. So your hooks is the first 1 to 3 seconds in the video. So you need to make sure that you're comparing that. So I'm going to look at the first 3 to 4 seconds actually in my video, and I'm going to look at their viral video and see how I could improve mine, or if mine is better than theirs. That's a very good way to outcompete everyone. And make sure you subscribe. And this is it for this video. Thank you for watching. The next video is going to be pure value, so make sure you stay in tune. Thank you guys for watching, and peace.